Hey guys, it's Monday morning and we are packing up to make our way to our next adventure up in the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. I wanted to bring a quick Dishy update to you guys. As soon as Dishy got run over, we went to the Walmart and bought a flag. $7, Victoria, at the Walmart.
Yeah, like $8.
I know what you're gonna say, too little too late. Dishy already got run over. But I wanted to let you know that Starlink has a dish replacement program for $250, which made the guy behind us who's already left, who ran over Dishy, who felt really horrible, made him very happy because he did agree. There are still great people in this world. He did agree to pay for Dishy, and he really wasn't looking forward to paying the full $500 that the equipment cost. So $250 replacement fee. It's due to land, I think, Wednesday of this week at our next campground.
Yeah.
So we're going to get it fairly quickly. But I will say, even though Dishy is busted and broken, we did have internet over the weekend. So it was intermittent. He kept going in and out. We had to kind of line him up to the sky on our own because his motors are both crushed. But we did at least have Starlink internet over the weekend. So new dish is on the way. Anytime we got to put him on the ground, the flag's going up. So be warned, if you have Starlink and you put him on the ground anywhere near or close to the road, you might want to alert people that he's there. That's it for now, guys. We're on our way to a next adventure. We'll see you next time.
Hey, do you know your shirt matches the flag? That's kind of cool.
My shirt does match the flag.
Woohoo!
Maybe that means people won't run me over when I'm out next to the road.
There you go.